In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a live stream on your Wix website. If you want viewers to watch your event without leaving your site, embedding a live stream is the way to go. We'll take the embed code you get from a platform like YouTube Live, Twitch, or Zoom and place it directly on your page using Wix's built-in tools. It's straightforward, and I'll highlight a few tips to make it look great. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. This is the visual workspace where you arrange elements, edit content, and control how your pages look. Make sure you're on the page where you want the live stream to appear, whether that's your home page, a dedicated live page, or an events section. Next, click the Add button, the plus icon on the left. From the menu, go to Embed, then choose Embed a widget or HTML iframe, depending on what your editor calls it. This element is designed to display content from another source using an iframe, which is exactly what most live stream providers supply. Drag the HTML iframe onto your page and place it where you want the live stream to sit. Think about the viewer experience here. A prominent spot near the top of the page is often best for live events. Leave enough space around it so titles, descriptions, or a schedule don't feel cramped. You can adjust the frame's size by dragging the handles, keeping in mind the aspect ratio your stream uses, such as 16:9. With the iframe selected, open the HTML settings and click Enter Code. You'll see a field where you can paste code. Be sure you're using the code option, not a website address field. The code you paste should be an iframe snippet that your streaming platform provides specifically for embedding. Now paste your live stream embed code. On YouTube Live, look for the share or embed option. Twitch offers an embed snippet through its share tools. Zoom may provide an embed code through its web portal depending on your plan and settings. Always use the full iframe code, not just a link to the stream page. If your provider includes width and height values, you can leave them as is or match them to the size of your frame in the editor. If the frame looks empty, remember that many platforms only display content when the stream is live, and some require HTTPS and domain permissions to show correctly. That's it. Your live stream is now embedded on your Wix page, ready for your audience to watch right where they already are.